Disclaimer: if you do not subscribe, you are tripping.
What's going on with y'all, man? As y'all can see by the title, how to market your clothing brand to $100,000 in 3 months.
Wow.
$100,000 in 3 months. Listen, we're not gonna do no talking. If you've been following me ever since my first video, you already know I'm not doing no talking. We getting right into the sauce. You see the iPad?
Let's get it.
Give me the tablet. Go ahead. But yeah, listen. We've been tuned in, y'all. We've been tuned in. I understand what y'all need. We coming to help y'all out, man. I'm telling you right now, jawforreal.com. There is so much game on here that you can get for the low. Y'all make sure y'all type in jawforreal.com or go to the link in my description and go get the game, the sauce, before I start taxing for it, man. But yeah, let's go and get into the video.
Like we said, bro, we don't want to waste y'all time. We just want to get straight into the game, bro. So look, when it comes to the marketing thing, I look at it everything as a funnel. From the top to the bottom, the end goal being to get your customer to shop. So pretty much my funnel look like at the very top is awareness. It's making people aware of your clothing brand and what you got going on, bro, because if they aren't aware, how they go buy a product? They gotta know, they gotta see. You gotta get in front of people's eyes, right? The second thing I do is capture their interest. Not only do I make them see me, but I make them intrigued somehow, some way. And then the customers, they'll go through their consideration process, and then they pretty much go take their action if they decide to shop or not. That's based off the product, based off the pricing, based off the website, it's based off the product, based off the website, based off a whole lot of different things, a whole lot of different reasons why your customer may not click. What's the word? What does it say? Check out? What does it say?
Check out.
Check out. It's a whole lot of reasons why your customer may not click check out. We're gonna teach you how to do everything right leading up to that very point. You feel me?
Could you scoot back just a little bit? You see, like, getting the baby a little bit out the frame. Yeah.
For sure. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna teach you how to do everything up to that point. So when it comes to awareness, there are a couple things that I do to market my clothing brand, a couple things we do to market our clothing brand, and a couple things a lot of other brand owners do. First thing is word of mouth. Directly telling people and other people directly telling people that, yo, bro, we got a clothing brand, this our piece, you see it on us, bro. So how you do this is basically get people in your product. Get people in your product, and that will speak for itself. The second thing we do, paid ads. And the third thing we do is organic videos. Basically, we have to travel through all of these topics and show y'all how to do them perfectly to the T, so you can make $100,000 in 3 months. I'm gonna pass the iPad to my boy Jai. He go get into the organic marketing on TikTok.
Yeah, let's do it. So the first thing is organic. IG, TikTok, word of mouth, Twitter, all the social media platforms. You need all the social media platforms. You need to be on all of those. All of those. Put your brand on every single one. Cause like, why not? What do you have to lose?
Why wouldn't you?
If your slideshows on TikTok or Instagram, if your reels are getting like 50 views, like, it can only go up. How can it possibly go down? Y'all just think about that real quick. All of y'all be like, my videos aren't moving. It's doing this and that. If you keep on posting, how could you lose? Just think about that real quick. Like, come on, like, how could you lose?
How could you?
How?
How could you?
How?
Keep posting.
How? Okay, cool. Anyways, back. I just feel good right now. I'm dropping a crazy jump. Anyways, IG Reels focus on quality, word of mouth. Get people posting in your product.
For sure.
SEO. Edit site keywords. TikToks. Push content. Push content again. A lot of people say don't do 3 to 4 nowadays. Upload a day, but I mean it's up to you. Me and D upload 3 to 4 a day, 1 to 2. It just depends how we feeling.
Depending on how we feeling. I might get 6 out for y'all boys. This is how it depends.
It all depends. Viral on TikTok. Hook viewers, keep their attention. Y'all, I remember I was on TikTok and like, there was somebody like walking up, just spilling coffee on their zip up, and it caught my attention. And a couple people nowadays are doing like, they're putting fire on their hoodies. It's catching people's attention. It's eye catching. Honestly, if you just want to catch somebody's eye without doing any of that, the color red, like, I don't know if it's just me, but if you see something red, you're like, whoa.
Yeah, red.
You're like, whoa, it just pops. Like, red just pops. Like, it's something that will catch your eye every single time.
Sure.
So yeah, and then create highly edited content. Like, you know, like I remember, not even remember. Like, this happened not too long ago. I'm out, right? and like we were marketing for a brand, and I just like started recording like multiple videos, and I'll just chop them up. And there's like if you use Instagram, quick little tip, if you use Instagram Reels, there's actually like templates you can use, and you can plug in videos, and that will just automatically edit it for you. Hold on, you're not wasting your time at all. You know, the IG makes it for you. So anyways, besides that, I'm sorry y'all, I kind of got off track a little bit. I'm trying to give y'all different tips than what I'm talking about right now. But hey, I just like giving y'all game, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with somebody who wants to start a brand or market their brand.
For sure.
Anyways, back to what I was saying. Like I said, create highly edited content. I recorded a lot of videos, and IG chopped it up for me, and it just came out nice. It came out tough. I was able to get my product in it, and I was able to have somebody model in it at the same time. It was just all in one. Marketing was just up here. For real, it just felt like that. But okay. And then another thing is make people engage with your video. So I got the hardest hoodie of the year, question mark. Do I have the hardest hoodie of 2024? Make people want to comment. Get their opinions, yes, no, whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter what they say. You know, it doesn't matter. Just get them to engage on your video. And then when they engage, comment, reply back to all those comments.
Sure.
Let them feel like you know, what am I trying to say?
Make them feel like y'all a team, bro. Like, don't have them just sitting in your comments looking like a fan. Nobody wants like a fan, bro. That's when people get deleting comments. Oh, that's when people get the deleting likes, removing followers. Don't make nobody feel like a fan, but make them feel like y'all locked in, y'all are part of the same community.
Yep. Make bold claims. Like I just told you, I got the hardest hoodie of the year. Like, whoa, no you don't. Come on. No, you don't. But all right, if you are still watching this video, ask yourself these questions. Is the quality of your content good? Will you get comments? Are you getting engagement? Does it provoke emotion? Does it make somebody feel some type of way? Number 5, I think this is 5-1. Number 5. Are you like posting 3 to 4 like good videos a week? Like, are you actually dropping good content?
Sir.
Like, be real with yourself. When you look at another clothing brand, you're like, damn, they're going crazy.
Yeah.
Are you doing that? Like, just think about it. Are you doing that?
Look, so he just gave out a game on TikTok, bro. I'm gonna get out a game on Instagram because the game is changing, bro. TikTok is getting a little difficult. Instagram is starting to boom right now, bro. But when it comes to Instagram, especially IG Reels, simplicity is so key, bro. On TikTok, you gotta create highly edited content. IG, you gotta create content that is creative, unique, and simple. So basically, you wanna create content that is aesthetically pleasing. Real simple content, real smooth content, real high quality, bro. You want to make sure that your content is very high quality when it goes on IG, because if it's not, they not gonna promote it to nobody else, bro. If your content got trash quality, it's in what, 280p, nobody watching it. So make sure you can do 4K if you can. You feel me? You always want to use.
Everybody can do 4K.
Everybody 4K?
Yeah, that's how crazy social media is. Everybody can do 4K.
Everybody can do 4K, but some of y'all still choose not to upload in 4K.
Use CapCut to edit your videos.
For sure. Use CapCut is definitely tough, man. Make sure y'all create cool, calm, vibey content. And the songs y'all place on y'all reels, you can't use the upbeat songs. Don't use Lucky. Don't use Playboy Cardi. You should use like smooth, soft instrumentals though, bro. When those instrumentals get on those songs, those videos be booming. Unless you're doing something totally different, that's crazy, that's out the world. How to really go viral and how to really blow up on IG Reels is to create smooth, aesthetically pleasing content, bro.
Another way you can market your clothing brand is by setting up an affiliate program, word of mouth, or getting your pieces to influencers. Those ways right there have been helping a lot of brands, and we see it too. Like we've been seeing brands like they get in influencers and they be going up,
blowing up for sure.
Every single day. You see it, like, it's crazy.
So look, man, another way we market our clothing brand is by word of mouth. I said word of mouth.
Man, give me the jitters.
Man, but look, basically what that means is getting other people to talk about your clothing brand, whether it's on IG, whether it's IRL, or whether it's anywhere, bro. Basically, you want to have customers posting your brand. So it's basically like a word. It's like basically like speech. Yo, customers, yo, fan base. So it's basically like them telling their audience, yo, fan base, I bought this piece. I got this piece on hand. You feel me? Y'all might want to check it out. Another thing you can do is set up an affiliate program. That's actually what we just did after watching this one YouTube video. Your customers who buy your products can also get paid to make other people buy your products. It's just word of mouth. If you pay them a little percentage, you still making more money. They getting some money too. So why not go ahead and set that up, bro?
Okay, guys. Another way to market your clothing brand is IG Boost. No, this is not meta ads. You use this for engagement. So, for example, if you're posting a giveaway, I would run IG Boost. But always, honestly, if you know how to run meta ads, or let's say this is very in the future, but maybe some of you guys have marketing team and stuff like that, they'll handle all that for you. But if you're just starting, IG Boost isn't bad, so don't run away from it. When it comes to working with IG Boost, make sure you already have an audience. Don't spend more than $100. I remember one time we spent $100 on an IG Boost post and it went crazy. So yeah, we're just telling you based on our experience. It's like how much we would spend. If you want to spend more than $100, you can, but I would just say just don't spend more than $100, because I don't really know if that's made to make you bread. It's more of just bringing engagement and people to your profile.
For sure.
And another marketing tip for you guys: if you are in college or you know somebody in college, again, word of mouth is very, very strong. People in college will support you because it's not like they're on the same level, but like it's more like businesses starting and they be having a lot of events and it's like a lot of stuff starting. So they're more of like want to like support, want to like help you out, you know. And you guys don't forget to share your story. Like a lot of brands are starting and they don't have a story, which is fine. But like I feel like if you sell your story, it's easier to sell your product.
Yeah, for sure. Boom, on to the next way y'all can market y'all clothing brand, bro. He just talked about IG Boost, and the exact opposite of IG Boost are paid ads. Paid ads, meta ads, they are not IG Boost. Meta ads are much more difficult to actually run, and it might require a little bit more money, but the results definitely pay out, bro. It's a whole system built by Facebook to help you make money by using their company to make them money, bro. And basically, Facebook ads is all about the creative and the strategy. IG Boost is all about the money. If you put $1,000 into an IG Boost, you might get a lot of results. If you put $1,000 on Facebook, you get 0 results. It's all about how you run the Facebook ads. And I would tell y'all, bro, if y'all do not know how to run Facebook ads, a couple YouTube videos aren't gonna help. I tried it out myself, bro. It takes a lot of time and a lot of energy to actually put into it. So one thing y'all should do, bro, as a clothing brand, if you're growing and you scaling, you make a lot of money, you got money to put into ads, go hire a team, bro. Don't waste your money, don't waste your time trying it out when you know you really can't do it. Put your energy into hiring a team, bro, and that's pretty much that simple.
The last marketing tip is SMS and emails. Make sure you are driving all your traffic to your website so they can sign up. You have to collect data from your customers. If you're just posting your products, letting your products sell without collecting any data, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what to tell you, because how are you going to gain those customers that bought from you before? How are you going to get them to shop again? Like all these big businesses, they have like a support system. They have customers. They have lifetime customers that come and they shop every single time they drop. I'm pretty sure we got somebody that come every single time we drop and shop.
For sure.
I'm pretty sure. There's no way. We haven't checked, so we're not gonna say we do, but I'm pretty sure we do. Not gonna lie to y'all. But bring all your traffic. Bring all the traffic. Bring it all to the SMS and email, because when you send out that email, or that text message, they're gonna notify saying, "Oh, really? Oh, he dropping? Okay, cool. Let me go get that real quick." So bring all your traffic to your SMS, your website, so they can sign up. That is probably the most important thing. Get all your audience there.
For sure. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Pretty much all the game, bro. So look, organic marketing, paid ads, TikTok, Instagram, SMS, emails, Facebook Meta, word of mouth is very, very important. What are we using? I think we use the app UpPromote for affiliate marketing. So if y'all want to get the app UpPromote, download it. Basically, you can accept affiliates, pay them out, and they gonna make you more money, of course, as you get paid. You feel me? Money, get you done, young flying. For sure.
Yeah. But anyways, y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video right there. I hope this helped you guys out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. His Instagram is Mind of D. Mine is Ja for real. No, actually, Mindset of D.
For sure.
I'm sorry, Mindset of D. Y'all, his Instagram is Mindset of D. Mine is Ja for real. Make sure y'all go follow us on Instagram and DM us if you have any questions. His resources link is mindofd.com, right?
Sure.
Mine is jafferreal.com. We got a bunch of clothing brand game in there, if you need it. And we are also starting a community. You want to talk about that a little bit?
Bro, look, for y'all boys, for y'all personally, y'all be showing a lot of love. Y'all ask like, bro, I need this, I need manufacturers, I need help with ads, I need help with SMS.
Restart, yo. Just keep saying boys. this girl.
Listen, man, y'all be watching, y'all be tapped in, and y'all be asking a lot of questions about ads, SMS, manufacturers, free samples. So we built this community to help y'all out. So all the information you need, we'll be on there 24 hours a day. We might get a little busy, might go to sleep, might take a nap, might eat, but we will be very, very active in the community, bro.
Not 24 hours, I ain't not gonna lie. We'll be on there though, every single day. Every single day.
We'll be on there every single day. So if y'all got questions, y'all need calls, y'all need information, we'll basically be blessing y'all with the information. So look, that link, when is this video dropping?
Bro. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We're recording this video December 31st. But all this marketing strategies still gonna work.
For sure.
Yeah, but this video gonna be in January something.
Oh, the video will be in January. So the link
gonna be up.
The link should be out.
It's
It's gonna be in the description. Make sure y'all tap into that, bro.